Hey, do you remember those awesome humanoid robots from sci-fi movies like iRobot and Spielberg's AI? Guess what? They're not just a part of our imagination anymore. They're already here.
I miss the good old days.
What good old days?
When people were killed by other people.
And no, they're not here to take over the world yet.
Of course.
Back in 1932, a guy named Harry May built a robot called Alpha that could shoot at targets. People were amazed and also worried about their jobs during the Great Depression. Fast forward to today, robots are all over factories, and we've finally got real-life humanoid robots living among us. In this video, we're going to show you some of the coolest updates in robotics and artificial intelligence that prove smart machines are already a part of our world. We'll take a look at existing humanoid robots and where this is all going in the near future. Let's dive right in. One of the most popular examples of a humanoid is Sophia. She made headlines in 2016 for her super lifelike appearance. Not only can she keep eye contact and recognize people, but she also has a bunch of facial expressions that make her seem almost human. Sophia is so convincing that in 2017, Saudi Arabia even made her a citizen, the first robot ever to get that honor. And if that wasn't enough, the United Nations named her their first innovation champion. That's fun. But as you can see, it still lacks of mobility and being able to physically interact with the world. Well, if Sophia was trying to imitate us, Atlas robots have already surpassed us. Have you ever seen the videos of Atlas doing backflips? What do you think of that? I think that's crazy. The robot, made by the geniuses at Boston Dynamics, is designed to move like a human, and it can do some crazy stuff that most of us can't even dream of. It started out like a toddler learning to walk, but now it can sprint, jump, and even do backflips. Atlas is a real engineering marvel, and guess what? They're planning to make it even better by teaching it to drive, climb ladders, and put out fires. If this is a sign of things to come, as AI specialist Gary Bradsky put it, robot sapiens are on their way, and it's only a matter of time. Speaking of Boston Dynamics, they're not just working on humanoid robots. There's a new robotic dog in town, and its name is Spot. This dog-like robot is already making a difference in the real world. In fact, the NYPD is using Spot to patrol the streets of New York City, keeping an eye out for anything suspicious. And while it has been received with some criticism, it doesn't seem like it's going to be canceled. There's a lot of debate around AI, but one thing's for sure, nobody can ignore it. Even Elon Musk, who has voiced concerns about AI, is actively working on groundbreaking projects like Optimus. This robot, developed by Tesla, is making impressive progress in spatial awareness and movements, allowing it to interact with real objects. As Musk explained, we have the most advanced real-world AI. The same AI that drives the car goes into Optimus. This means Tesla's proven expertise in AI, used in their autonomous vehicles, can be applied to Optimus, essentially turning it into a robot on legs instead of wheels. According to Musk, we could see a world where the ratio of humanoid robots to humans exceeds 1 to 1.
We start getting into interesting questions of what's the ratio of humans to humanoid robots? I think it might be greater than 1 to 1.
But what does this mean for the future of society?
Output is much higher and there's no limit on persons, then what's the actual limit on the economy?
With robots taking on tasks in homes and industries, this raises questions about the limits of the economy when output is much higher and there's no limit on the number of robot workers. Musk even speculates that the AI and robotics side of Tesla could eventually be worth more than their automotive business, stating it's probably the least understood or appreciated part of what we're doing at Tesla. Do you think Musk's prediction of a world with more robots than humans is possible? Let me know in the comments. Now, imagine having a chat with a robot like Optimus or Sophia. Thanks to large language models like OpenAI's GPT-4, we might soon be having some pretty interesting conversations with our robotic friends. One of the largest tech companies, Meta, is also investing big time in AI. It's actually the company's single largest investment. They've already released tech like meta segmentation technology for better robot vision, and dense pose to track human poses in real time, making robot-human interactions more natural. So what happens when you combine all of that together? It seems like we're going to get really close, really fast to the stuff that used to be science fiction a minute ago. Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video and want to see more, well, subscribe. It's that easy and you're going to make me smile. All right, see you on the next one.